Did you know that condom manufacturing is one of the most promising businesses to start? The booming business of condom manufacturing. Today, we'll explore why this industry is profitable, the essentials to get started, and how to succeed. Let's dive in. Key highlights. Overview of the condom industry. Reasons to start this business. Machinery and equipment needed. Opportunities for new startups. Growth drivers. How you can succeed. Introduction. Condoms are contraceptive products used to prevent pregnancy and sexually transmitted infections, STIs, like HIV. As awareness of sexual health grows, the demand for condoms continues to rise. Industry overview. The global condom market is a multi-billion-dollar industry, with most products made from latex or polyurethane. Quality control is paramount to ensure safety and effectiveness. Why start a condom manufacturing business? Growing market size. In 2021, the global market was valued at $8.6 billion, projected to grow at a CAGR of 8.5% and reach $17.2 billion by 2030. Low costs and high profits. Condoms are inexpensive to produce and offer high profit margins when sold at scale. Easy storage and transport. They require no special storage conditions, making distribution easier even in developing regions. Expanding markets. Over 110 countries actively use condoms, with adoption increasing globally. Machinery and manufacturing process. Essential machinery includes latex compounding machines, dipping lines, leaching tanks, vulcanizing ovens, lubrication applicators, packaging equipment. Key manufacturing steps. Latex compounding. Raw latex is mixed with chemicals for the right properties. Dipping. Glass molds are dipped into the latex. Leaching and vulcanizing. Condoms are cured at high temperatures and leached to remove chemicals. Lubrication and testing. Lubricant is applied, and condoms undergo electronic testing. Packaging. Approved condoms are sealed and packed for distribution. Opportunities for startups. Niche markets. Vegan or custom-fit condoms. Eco-friendly products. Biodegradable or sustainably sourced options. Innovative designs. Enhanced comfort and pleasure. Digital integration. Pair sales with sexual health apps or education platforms. Subscription services. Discrete home delivery models. Growth drivers. Awareness, increased education on sexual health and STIs. Government initiatives, health programs promoting condom use. Online sales, easier and more discreet access. Innovation, new materials and designs. Emerging markets, developing countries with untapped potential. How we can help you. Starting can be challenging, but Need Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, has over 30 years of expertise to guide you. We provide detailed manufacturing processes, market research, machinery specs, raw material details, financial project plans. For more details, check the description or contact us directly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more business insights. Stay safe and keep innovating. Contact us for more details.